Welcome to a video walkthrough from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leithhead Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2019 Hyundai Tucson Essential SUV. Power for this SUV comes from a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, matted to an automatic transmission with all-wheel drive. Starting out at the front, we've got a nice blacked out grille with chrome accents, fog lights, and it is riding on 17-inch steel wheels with covers. We've got our color matched mirrors and door handles with black trim. And coming all the way around to the back, you can see we have our rear mounted shark fin antenna, color matched bumper and rear spoiler, and a rear windshield wiper blade, which is super handy in the BC winters. A few notable features is some of the safety things like lane keeping assist, park assist, locking differential, and of course we've got our heated front seats. So let's hop in and take a look at what the interior has to offer. Coming up from the side of this sporty SUV, we can take a look at the interior and see that we have excellent condition premium cloth interior, incredibly comfortable seating. And coming around to the back, you can see there is plenty of legroom, and these seats do tilt way back for your passengers' comfort, or they can sit upright for more cargo space. We also have 60/40 pull-down seats there, so you can expand your cargo space as needed, and a pull-down center console if you only have 2 passengers riding in the back. Opening up the door, you can see we've got our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Moving a little bit further in, we have our interior light controls, our lane departure warning, traction control, and locking differential buttons right there. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on this side we have our hands-free Bluetooth calling and our audio controls, and over here we have our cruise control, and this button will show you some of the different options of information that you can access from the dash. So starting it up, over here is our lights and our wipers. And looking up on the dash, you can see we can scroll through a bunch of different options. For the driver assistance, we do have our lane safety, forward collision alert, and forward collision warning. And then if you slide through these, you can see we've got all of the different options of how you can customize your vehicle. Coming on over here, we have an AM/FM stereo with Apple Carplay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth. There we go. And it also has USB inputs and auxiliary power inputs so that you can plug in your MP3 player or what have you. Coming down here, we have our climate control. We have air conditioning, and our front heated seats have 3 different levels. And right down here, we've got our auxiliary power input, USB, and 2 12-volt power inputs. Right over here, we have our extra traction control there, and our cup holders and storage. There's our glove box with the original owner's manual included in it for you. And looking around to the back again, we can see how roomy it is back there. So let's hop out and take a look at the cargo space. Coming around back, you can see we've got our black trim carried out through here and the chrome accents with the Hyundai Tucson and Hyundai H-Track system badging. Walking on that up, we have a really easy to open trunk that does not require a lot of pulling. We've got these awesome mats back here, which is fantastic for keeping your upholstery clean. And underneath there, you can pull this up and you've got your spare tire and all the tools you would need if you found yourself in that situation. Backing up a bit, you can see we do have the child seat tethers there. And like I said before, the 60/40 fold down seats will give you a lot of options for expanding your cargo space. We also have a 12-volt power outlet, and there is some tie-down areas to secure your cargo. Coming around back, you just gently haul it down, and boom, you're done. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2019 Hyundai Tucson Essential with me. If you have any comments, you can leave them below. And if you'd like to take this out for a spin, please just come on down and visit us at 1200 Leithhead Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada. Or you can give us a call, and any of our fabulous product advisors would be happy to give you more information. You can also check out our website at KelownaToyota.com to get more information on this SUV or any of our other new or used inventory. And you can send us a message 24/7. Somebody will get back to you ASAP. We hope everyone's having a fantastic winter season. Please drive safe, and we do look forward to seeing you soon.